It's early and we're in the Superstitions. We're gonna hike up a little bit right there. I'm parked right down there. We're just off the 88, just past Lost Dutchman State Park. Kind of turning off to the First Water Trailhead road. But we just stopped short to park, and I often hike up here, and I'm going to show you where I go. I'm later than I usually come. The sun's up. It's usually not on the mountains when I come and make this hike. I come here quite often and just do a quick little hike. It's in the Superstitions. I don't know what trail I'm on right now, but I go on the Treasure Loop Trail and I take a picture at the top. So we'll get to the top, we'll take that picture, then I'll show you some of the others through the years I've taken. I was hoping to also capture some pictures of desert flowers, but they're not quite. Some are not out, some have already bloomed. I'm probably too late to see the wildlife that I see a lot of times when I'm really early. Deer and rabbits. I think I saw maybe a bobcat once. Some sort of cat. It's a quick little hike. Just a couple miles is all. Just enough to get out and enjoy the Superstitions. All right, I guess now it's officially on the Treasure Loop, and we're gonna hike up there. From 6 to 6:30, I bring my radio and listen to Tabernacle, and then from 7 to 8, I listen to Garden Channel. We're hiking up there to that bench. That's our goal. Whew. This is a pretty big climb. Last time I said something was down there. Here's the first bench, but we're gonna hike to that second bench. Looks like somebody beat me there. All right, we are to the top part of this loop. If you can see down there, the bench that was just at, and we're gonna just now go right over to that bench. But check out that view. It's so cool up here. The world is beautiful. I'm always grateful and thankful for the opportunity and the ability to come up here and see this. If I'm in town, I take that shot every week, every time I come up here. And because of that, I have quite a record of all the times I've come up here. Let me show you some of those pictures. This was a quick little video, but let me add a little extra footage, a little bonus footage of our second and maybe third family car camp. Enjoy. Far away right now. I want to be able to see you.
Can I go like over in the woods over there? Can I, Dad? Dad.
Then Blake and Brickley and Nicole are all gone.
Find them first.
Go find Blake and Brickley and Nicole.
Hey, Brayden. Yeah. My mind is good. Your mind is good.
Trisha.
Brayden. Hey, Gavin. My mind is very good. Yeah, I think our mind is good. He's down here.
Hey, Brinkley, make sure you for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Checking the beans.
Brayden,
Is it hot? Ooh, they're bubbling.
bubbling. Should I give him a stir?
Yeah, give him a stir.
Bubble, bubble.
They got a wooden spoon.
Trisha, you look.
Okay.
Brickley's not there either. We should. Hi, guys.
I can carry her because we crossed this line. I carried her all the way.
Oh. So, want to change your pants, Brickley? So, Rory, don't drop that in the air. Did you bring any extras?
I have to take this. Guys, can I shoot it right now? Like, get your, let's get my, your phone.
Yeah, hey, Gavin.
I want two pillows, and because, and then, I can sleep well.
You are.
No, you took my.
Is it good, Dad?
Can I have a try, Dad?
Oh, yeah.
I want to try.
Oh, it's to die for. Sizzle.
This is living.
It is.
Wash my hands real quick.
You having fun, Brayden?
Oh, can I ever.
You love it.
Because
You love it. Making s'mores. It's horny. How did everybody do? Let's go look inside the teardrop. It's probably messy, but. This was a sweet little ride. Me and Brinkley. Sizzling. The sizzle.
Hot box ties too. I'm cool.
There's like a million out there.
You did? I'll see if I bring my duffel over here.
Is anybody else like electrified? Everything is just shocking.
I know, so are me.
Sausages are definitely good. Camping. What is it? May 23rd.
Yeah.
2009.
6 o'clock.
It's raining.
It hurts myself, doesn't it?
If you want to draw some, you can draw.
There's our campfire.
Should I sing a song?
Okay.